So what can you do to protect yourself? Immediately visit your insurance representative to make sure that you have adequate automobile insurance coverage. Automobile coverage is not included in the typical business policy, and your employees' automobiles are not covered on a typical business auto policy unless expressly stated. Of course, make sure your policy limits are adequate for your business needs. If it fits with your business model, you might want to even consider a complete ban on the use of personal cars for business purposes. If that's not feasible, consider implementing the following rules and procedures. Have a policy in place to obtain motor vehicle records for employees who use their own vehicle for business, and recheck that yearly. If your employee is such a bad driver that you wouldn't want them to drive a company-owned vehicle, don't let them use their personal vehicle for business either. Next, only allow specifically authorized drivers to drive for the company, and keep a copy of every authorized driver's valid driver's license and proof of insurance. Implement a company policy that any authorized drivers must immediately inform you of any moving vehicle infractions. Require employees who occasionally use personal autos for business purposes to carry adequate personal auto insurance. Remember, if you require any certain limits, then you may owe them the additional expense of that company requirement. Obtain a certificate of insurance from these employees. Have it issued directly from their insurance company, showing that they have coverage. Have them add you as a certificate holder so you get notice if the insurance is canceled. This should not cost them any additional money. Consider requiring them to add your business as an additional insured. There may not be an additional cost for this, but if there is, you may need to reimburse them. Consider inspecting employees' vehicles to assure that they are properly maintained and safe to operate. Establish a written safety policy, including forbidding the use of cell phones or mobile devices while driving on company business. Finally, explicitly state in your policy that the company is not responsible for any damage, parking tickets, equipment violation citations, or moving violations that occur while the employee is operating a personal vehicle on company-related business. I hope this has been informative. Remember, always be sure to check with your own lawyer or insurance advisor regarding any of these issues, as this is not intended as legal advice. Good luck out there, and be sure to check out my full article in Lab Perspectives magazine.